Hi everyone. For me, I guess the smartest investment decision I made, I documented back in 1999. It was September the 11th, and there it is in the Financial Times. And if you can read the writing in that red box, it's where I've said I've shifted my stock investments from being almost entirely UK to being almost entirely US holdings. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm a UK taxpayer. My pension is in the UK, my ISA is in the UK, I spend my money in the UK. But by earning it in the US and having those high growth companies, you only need to look at what's happened in the last 21 odd years from US stocks compared to UK FTSE stocks. You can see that by having all those big American companies skyrocket and earn me strong returns, I've been able to repatriate that money back to the UK, boost my pension, ISA, and do rather well off it. So thank you very much, Americans, for a change, working for a Brit. I really appreciate it. But yeah, that's the smartest decision I'd ever made. And thankfully, it's well documented in the Financial Times. That was actually my very first column in the FT in 1999. The first of 52 columns a year for 5 years. So it's some 200 odd columns. And yes, they were all as accurate as that. Thank you.